Okay, Mr. Squidward, take it from the top. Now you don't have any sound equipment. Unlike me, who has this entire wall of speakers you see right behind me. Now your whole tour is ruined. Seriously, I can't take it. It's too much.
It sure was nice of that Colonel Carper guy to let us borrow his entire wall of sound equipment, wasn't it, Mr. Krabs?
Well, here we are. Our next gig.
We're performing at a supermarket. Driver, turn this bus around. The tour is canceled. Head straight back to the Krusty Krab.
Sorry, Squidward, but that is physically impossible.
What?
Because it's not there anymore.
Not there anymore? Where'd it go?
I pawned it to raise the cash for the concert tour.
You did what?
Yeah, hard to believe, I know. My heart aches when I think of me old girl, cold and lonely, just sitting in the front window of that dirty pawn shop at the mercy of any random Joe who just happens by.